Today on Derek Does, we're doing this. Hi everybody, welcome back to another Derek Does, and today I've got something that for me is one of my favorite jackets in the whole world, and for Belstaff I think it's like their top historic jacket they've ever made, and that's why they still make it today. This is the Belstaff Trial Master. Now I've had a few of these over the years, and for some reason I got rid of them and then they didn't fit right, but then I found another one, and I found one that actually I think fits me pretty well. You can be the judge of that. Let me know in the comments if you think it's a good fit or a non-fit. This one's actually kind of a special one. Not that they're not all special, but this one is a Belstaff, but it's not made in England and it's not made in some European country like the modern ones in Czechoslovakia or wherever they make them today. This one was made in Australia because this is a Belstaff Trial Master, but it's a Driza-Bone Belstaff Trial Master. Now you might be saying, what's Driza-Bone? What's Belstaff? These are companies that make wax cotton jackets and coats. I'll just say the word jackets, even though some are coats. The three top companies that do this currently are Belstaff, Barbour, and Driza-Bone. Driza-Bone's in Australia. Belstaff is kind of in the UK. Mostly, I think it's Italian now, but they still say UK. And Barbour, which is still in the UK. This is the Belstaff Trial Master made by Driza-Bone, and now it's spelled a little weird, and it's Driza-Bone, but it's like, I guess you get Australia and it's Driza-Bone. What happened was, in the 1980s, Belstaff and I think Driza-Bone just weren't as what they used to be. These things were huge in the 60s and the 50s, even in the 70s. In 1948, they invented the Trial Master, just so you know. So the jacket's been around for a long time. 1948, the first one, then became famous with all the motorcycle trials and that sort of thing. And then in the mid-80s and that sort of thing, it just kind of declined. And apparently, from what I've been reading, is Belstaff had its parent company, which was still in the UK, had purchased Driza-Bone, which wasn't doing as well either. And in about 1991 to 92, Belstaff commissioned Driza-Bone to make the Trial Master. And then, I think in 93 or 94, the Italian company that owns it now bought it and stopped that immediately. So these, and I think Driza-Bone only made the Trial Master. I don't think they made any of the other Belstaff jackets because Trial Master is their #1 jacket, so this is the one they would want to make. And this is one of them. Now, I found this one on my local Facebook marketplace. A guy had put it up there, and I didn't know about the Driza-Bone combo. And I was looking at it and I go, well, it looks like a Trial Master. It says Trial Master, but then I see this Driza-Bone stuff, and it just seemed weird. And then when I went to go look at the jacket, and I'll show you, like, it's a little different. I guess they added their own little twist to it. Like the zipper isn't like that classic. I have other Belstaff jackets I've got, as you see in the videos. If you want to go back to my previous videos, you can find the other Belstaff jackets I have. But they always have these big ring zippers on them. And this one's got this little dinky was it YYK or YKK? I always get those mixed up in my head. YKK. So it's got like kind of a dinky YKK zipper on it. And I asked the guy, was this replaced? Because he's had the jacket for, I think, since the mid-90s. And he goes, no, I didn't replace it. But then I looked online and I saw some eBays of this same jacket. They have the same zipper. So I guess in Australia, they just put up whatever zipper they had. Whereas in today's Belstaff, you get this big, giant, heavy-duty zipper. And it's a two-way thing. And it's got a ring on it like an old Pendleton sweater. But this is the jacket. I'll show you close-ups. We'll put it up on the hanger and I'll put it on. This is a size 115, so it's a 115 centimeter size. The thing about Belstaff jackets are, depending when you buy it in its history, they don't have a standard size. They could have just a large, medium, small, extra large in one period of time. And then they could go with the centimeter size, you know, so a 100 centimeter, a 115 centimeter, 120 centimeter, differing the sizes. And then sometimes they'll go into the size 50. But those are Italian sizes. So you're constantly having to get online and see the combinations of what size to get. This is a 115, and I believe this is a large. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, because I don't know all this stuff. For reference, I'm about 5'10". I am about 155 pounds, and I wear about a 42 generally in jackets. I'm usually like a medium to large in that range. So I'm going to put the jacket on, you're going to see it, and then we'll do the close-ups, and I'll kind of comment a little bit about like my previous Belstaff Trial Masters I've had, and you can see this. Now, one thing I'm going to be doing after this video is done and it's put up there, I'm going to be re-waxing this jacket. This jacket's never been re-waxed in its entirety of life on this earth. So I have all the wax, and I've done it a couple times on my previous Trial Masters, and I'm going to do it on this one, and I'm going to record it so you can see how to wax your wax cotton jacket. But before we do that, that'll be that later. But now we're going to put the jacket on. You can see how it looks and see how it fits, and then we'll put on the hanger. And if you're into Trial Masters, you're going to enjoy this, because this is kind of a rare Trial Master that's only available for a couple years. So here it is. This is the 115 on me and my frame. I mean, it is a little big, but I believe these are meant to be just a little big, a little loose when you're wearing it. It's not really a tight jacket. But you can see, I think it fits okay. It could be slightly smaller maybe. What do you think? Again, I don't know the sizes that well. This is a 115. Should I look for a different size? I'm not sure. But it's the classic, if you ever had one of these, they're easy to find pictures of people wearing them because there's so many of them. But basically you just have, it's a little bit longer of a jacket. You have poppers here with pockets, and you also have a top. You have a zipper. It comes with a belt that you can put on. And a lot of guys, they'll take off the belt, or they'll wrap the belt so it's always strapped in the back, and that way you don't have to worry about it, because it does get in the way a little bit. But it's really nice. Again, it's a left-hand zipper, so keep that in mind because it's British. You have a really nice lining, and you have a pocket on the inside on that side. No inside pocket on that side. But I'll do all the close-up of this, but at least you get an idea. And this is with it out, just loose. And it's just a great jacket. I like these. They're kind of warm. I mean, they're not like crazy warm because there's just a flannel lining in it, but they're kind of warm. They're waterproof once they've been done, and they look great. And they were made for motorcycle trial racing. Let's put it on the hanger and take a look. All right, so here it is. This is the Belstaff DrizaBone Trial Master. A jacket you really don't see that much at all. So this is the big thing. So the main thing of a Belstaff Trial Master, you generally have a pads here, long sleeve down. Again, like I was saying, you have 4 pockets total in the front, and these are lined with the lining that's on the inside. These are more snaps. The modern ones have what you would kind of call a popper. It's just easier, but these back in the 90s are just plain snaps. And they have it here, and then they also have it here in the front and here. Now, if you notice, it has a special tag on it. This is the Belstaff logo with the Belstaff, but made by DrizaBone. You have the Belstaff button tops, snap tops, but you have kind of a dinky little zipper, different than what I was used to. And down here on the modern ones, they put this metal piece that says TrialMaster, or whatever jacket is, whatever model is you're buying from Belstaff. And it only has one-way zipper. It doesn't have a two-way zipper. The modern ones have a two-way zipper. This just has a one-way. So you have a little bit here for your snaps so you can zip it, and then you have a bit of a wind flap here to keep that rain out. Down here you have a maybe 3 adjusters for the sleeve, and they are corduroy lined, and then it's lined in the same material that the jacket's lined in, and that's on both of those. You have a corduroy collar here, lining, with a little similar strap up here so you can get that nice and tight. So if you're wearing your helmet or whatever, this doesn't get in the way. Because remember, this is a motorcycle jacket. On the side, it actually says Belstaff Trial Master. The new ones don't do that. And it says it on this side. So it's badged here and here, plus here, which makes it unusual. The modern ones will actually have a little Union Jack down here hanging from the, it's not technically a Union Jack, I guess, because it's not on a ship. Just a British flag down there. Now the inside, it is lined in this nice blue tartan, and it has a Velcroed little inside pocket so you can put your wallet or something like that. And this side does not have anything, but you can see it's nice. I mean, it's a little dirty. It's not bad though. And on the back, give you a wide shot. Similar waxed here. No real seam. It's just a solid piece. You do have vents here. You have 3 vents in both armpits. And then you have a belt. And if you notice, this has the metal one here. And this is actually a matching one because it actually says 115. I did see some talk, and I did see some video, I'll show you a picture of it, of sometimes the DrizaBone would put a plastic snap cover on this. And I don't know if this is an early one or a later one, but I have seen like a snap like on a backpack, that sort of thing, but big. So if you know if it's, actually it's Aros labeled. That might be an Australian company. I don't know. And then you have your different adjusters here. So like I was saying, a lot of guys would just strap this tight and it just stays here behind it. So it's still on the jacket, but it isn't. Now I'll put it on the ground so we can take a look at the tag and everything. So on the tag, it has a kind of a locker loop there. You can hang it up. But it has, this is their Belstaff. This is the special, again, this is probably only on this, I assume, genuine Belstaff product, but made by DrizaBone Australia. And it is the size 115 centimeter. And then here it's the TrialMaster Professional is the model. And then this just talks about cleaning, and it's 100% cotton and that sort of thing. So this is it. And this is that wonderful blue tartan on the inside. It's really nice. I like it. There's the opposites of those vent holes. Just because that way you, every time you put your arms down, your entire jacket doesn't blow up, but pretty nice. I love this jacket actually. What do you guys think? Well, there you go. The Belstaff DrizaBone / or I guess that should have been slashed before that, TrialMaster. Again, it's the vintage early 90s jacket. I kind of like it. Actually, I kind of love it. But that's just me. I love these jackets. What do you think? Is it my size? I think it is. It kind of fits me in the shoulders. It feels, because my shoulder's like here and I've got maybe that much before the seam is. I don't know if it should be right on that, but it feels okay. I don't know. Let me know if you're more knowledgeable on fits and that sort of thing. If you're interested in one of these, look around for one. It doesn't have to be a DrizaBone. You can get just the regular Belstaff ones. I've been making them since 1948, so there's quite a few of them out there. The trouble, though, is there's no Belstaff, at least in the US. It's very difficult to find a store that actually carries Belstaff that you can go in and try on and see which one fits you. It's very limited. I think in the UK it's much easier because they just have stores a lot of places like that, but here we don't. So a little tip. A lot of times Belstaff, like at Christmas time, they'll have a special where you get like a 30% off or something like that. It's worth it if you're gonna buy new to go that way and buy like the size you think you want, the size above it, and the size below it, because they have free returns. Buy all, even though it's gonna be like this crazy $1,500 bill, you can try them on, see which one fits you best, return the other two, get your refund, and then you just have to pay for the one that does fit you. So that's an option, at least in the US, if you're looking for a Belstaff that fits you. So I hope you can use that, and let me know if you do. I'm curious if it worked for you or not. I do that sometimes. especially when I don't know exactly the size, and their sizes are all over the place of what it is for what you get. So like I mentioned earlier. So hope you enjoyed this video, and good luck in your search for the Belstaff, or if not, good knowledge for you, and I'll see you on the next Derek Does, and thanks for watching.